we're going to go behind the VIP entrance. What's Cosmo got on the bench today? One of the things I think that sets you apart from a lot of the other dealers is the fact that you have a workshop.
Yes, we run a workshop. Yeah. We repair bikes, we service them.
So you do take on just repairs?
Less now.
Yeah.
Less now.
Not
I used to employ 2 mechanics and a Saturday boy at one time.
Yeah.
So mainly I'm probably more 75% bike sales now, vintage and classic bike sales.
But when somebody buys something from you, you've checked it over, haven't you? Because you've got a workshop.
Unless it's a project, but all the bikes are serviced and ready to go. Oil changes, new tyres if they need them. But when we sell projects or bikes that need a little bit of work, they're priced lower than a retail bike.
And it says in the description, people know what they're getting. This Norton ES2 caught my eye when we walked in.
Yes.
But what's on the bench?
That is a Lightning Clubman. We've got another one, the very rare bike. They only made 200 of them. For 1 year. Yeah, Lightning Clubman.
Twin carb.
Yeah, genuine bike, made for a year only, and we've actually got 2. We've got one in the showroom as well.
You've got 2?
So let me move this out. This is your favourite bike, obviously, because it's the oldest one.
Yeah. No, you never go wrong with the Norton.
Let's move that out. They're quite easy to move around, these. This is a BSA A65 Lightning Clubman.
Wow.
One of only 200 produced, 1965, produced a year only, and it's a real deal, genuine one. It's a caferacer for the rockers of the day. Yeah. And it's just the rarity of it. And
it's beautiful. The finish is beautiful, isn't it? I love all this because the fasteners are great.
Very 60s.
I always get very fussy because a lot of these bikes, you see them and they've got dreadful nuts and bolts and fasteners on them. But look at this beautiful domed nut there. So standard, so original.
There you go. Nice. I think you need that in your shed, Julie.
I do.
It's not old enough. You like the
lovely.
old clunkers.
No, I do like this. Well, I've always had my pieces. You know,
but as I say,
got my first A10 in
it's what we call a cafe racer. It's for the aspiring rockers.
It's very
the
nice.
60s and
very nice. I can quite see myself.
Or for the Clubman racer. Yeah. This is a genuine bike. I've used the word genuine already, but this is the real, what we call the real deal.
Yeah, and you've got the rear sets on it.
Yeah.
Oh, so obviously you've got the brake. Oh, the brake lever's there.
Yeah.
Wow. So it's got fold-up rear sets on it.
Yeah.
I don't know that much about the A65s because I like my A10s.
It came after the Rocket Gold Star.
Oh, I know that. Yeah.
So this was the year after the Rocket Gold Star.
Yeah, but Rocket Gold Star's much better than this.
This is rarer. A lot of motorcyclists, British bikes, they poo-poo the A65 because it's not a triumph.
I tell you why I don't like them as much as I like the A10s. I have had a A65 in the past. It's a lovely bike. But I just find the engine a bit buzzy. I find that short stroke engine a bit buzzy.
They're vibrating.
I really like the A10 with that kind of longer
I thought you were going to say the looks. They call it the flying egg or the flying turkey.
No, I think it's beautiful.
It's the engine. A lot of people didn't like the unit.
Oh, you see, but I'm not into the cosmetics, as you can see from the state of my bike. It doesn't really bother me that much.
Well,
I mean, it does,
you might get that picture of that later. But it's fair play, you rode it in today.